Hi, I'm Justin Speer, and today I'm going to show you a few of the Japanese tools that I recently purchased.
All right, the first tools that I got are made by Vessel. It's a Japanese company that's been around since 1916. And these are ball grip screwdrivers. I got a set of 4. So these are really ergonomically shaped and helps you get a really nice tight grip on it, comfortable on the hand. So there's 2 bigger ones here, 1/4 by 4 inches, and then here's the 2 small ones. And this is just a great little starter set. So the ball grip design really helps you grip hard and push down as needed. Yeah, I just love these screwdrivers. They're great. I have a complete other set of screwdrivers, but nothing quite as unique as this, and nothing quite as ergonomical as this. So I love these things. I'm looking forward to trying them out. So the next item I have is a pair of Tsunoda cable tie cutters, which are really going to come in handy. I recently had a project where I needed to use a lot of zip ties, and so this unique tool will be able to cut off the loose ends so they're nice and flush. Tsunoda is a Japanese company that started making pliers in the 1960s, so they've been around a while. So it has a really unique angled head here. All right, so I've got a zip tie here to practice on. But just put this right up against the base, and wow, that was a smooth cut. And there's absolutely nothing sticking up on this. It's totally flush. So that is awesome. Yeah, I recently had a project where I cable tied a cargo net in my Jeep, and I have a lot of cable tie ends that are just sticking out a bit. So I'm really going to put this tool to use. So the next item is a pair of pliers made by Engineer, and this company's been around a long time too. These particular pliers are to use if you have a screw that's been stripped or having a hard time coming out. The end of these pliers is specially made to grip a hold of the screw and just pull it out. So these are pretty cool. They're spring assisted here. And the handles feel really cool to the hand, nice and grippy. And they have a neat little techno pattern here on the handles. That's kind of cool. It says Neji-saurus screw pliers. Let's try it out on a screw. And these pliers just grab a hold of it so tight. These are going to come in handy. And the pliers just feel very quality. It's got a nice finish on it. I like these. Next up is a crescent wrench made by Lobtex that is 150 millimeters, and it's really lightweight and can be adjusted pretty far out. You'll see when I get the packaging open here. These are pretty cool looking. It's got the Lobster logo on there. Wow, this is smaller than I expected for sure, but it's definitely lightweight. But it feels pretty quality. It's got a nice finish. Yeah, so these are going to be nice to use when I need something that's super lightweight and getting into a tight space. The Lobster crescent wrench. And the last thing I purchased here is a Clover brand tape measure. It's called the Shiro tape measure, and it's made of fiberglass, so it prevents stretching. That's pretty cool. It's really flexible. And it's got a button here. You just press it and it goes back in. This is great. It's nice and lightweight. Cool. So that's it. That's my Japanese tool haul.